We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names from luxury, fashion, beauty, as well in brand names that many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So for reference in French, since he is French, this is said as Maison, meaning house, Maison, Francis Kurkdjian, Kurkdjian, Francis Kurkdjian. So in English you could say it as Maison Francis, Francis Kurkdjian, Kurkdjian, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Yeah, I mean the K is kind of a little bit silent, or you can pronounce it a little bit. It depends. Some people say it one way, others the other way. Francis Kurkdjian, Francis Kurkdjian, or in French, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. And now you know, I think. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me a lot, and more videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Merci.